So my son made breakfast. I preset the coffee last night. You know, Death Wish. This looks lovely. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.
So what do we have in here?
Well, we got, of course, eggs, the spinach, tomatoes, onions. I added a little bit of garlic and pepper to it. On one side you can see avocado. The other side is last night's pork chop left over, and 2 pieces of toast.
Which theirs is unfortunately extra toasty.
Yeah.
The gluten-free toasted well. So anyway, y'all say thank you to Steve for being the extra chef at the house. And he can never say that Mom does not let him in the kitchen. Okay, so since we've been busy today getting things all ready for redoing the house, so yeah, Steve cooked again. What do you think? So would you like to tell the people what it is that we are feasting on today?
Well, of course, a salad, mashed potatoes, and 2 drumsticks.
And what's the seasoning?
Pepper, garlic, and lemon pepper.
Okay, that should be tasty, tasty. And then on my salad, even though I love Italian, I kind of been having a taste for this lately. Woo! The garlic ranch. And sometimes I've been craving pickles. Don't even ask me. It's a menopause thing. But this should be good on the salad. Anyway, so stay happy. Stay healthy, because this is healthy. Stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Even though Steve has to work tomorrow, it doesn't mean he's not going to come home to something delicious. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one, because I'm going to eat this.